I'm turning these random mobile photos into a paid short ad using only Filmora 15's new AI tools. No reshoots, no complicated setups. Let's see how fast this actually is. As a creator, I know how long editing one good video can take. You shoot, fix the audio, add captions, render, and by the time it's ready, the trend's already gone. That's exactly what Filmora 15 is here to fix. It comes with brand new AI tools that help me create faster, post more often, and still keep everything looking professional. Feature 1. AI Extend. First up, AI Extend. This one's wild. I can now take a few still photos or short clips, type a prompt, and Filmora literally continues my shot automatically. It looks like I actually shot more footage, but it's all AI. It's perfect for transitions or for filling in missing parts without doing any reshoots. Feature 2. Pen Tool. Next, the Pen Tool. I can draw a path right on my timeline and make any sticker, logo, or text follow it smoothly. I don't even have to open a compositing app. It's all built right into Filmora. This is perfect for making motion graphics around products or text, something that usually takes me forever in other editors. Feature 3. Animated charts. Now for my data or productivity lovers, the animated charts feature. I can import a simple CSV file, and Filmora instantly turns it into an animated chart. It's perfect for showing growth stats, analytics, or results at the end of a video. No motion design software needed. Animated charts in Filmora 15 are mainly used to present information in a clean and dynamic way. If you want to show statistics, comparisons, progress, or any kind of number-based data, these charts make it look professional without doing heavy editing. The animation is automatic, so your data becomes easy to understand and visually engaging. You can use them in a lot of places: tutorials, business videos, tech explainers, productivity content, school projects, presentations, or even YouTube breakdown videos. Anywhere you need to show growth, percentages, or differences between things, animated charts help you deliver the message clearly and make your video look more premium. Another advantage of animated charts in Filmora 15 is that there's no limitation on the information you can add. You can enter any numbers, labels, or categories you want, and the chart will adjust automatically. Filmora also gives you multiple pre-built templates, so you don't have to design anything from scratch. Just pick a style, drop in your data, and the software handles the entire motion design for you. Feature 4. Dynamic Captions. Captions just got a full AI boost. I can auto-generate captions, apply high-retention animation styles, and even make keywords pop on beat. It's not just subtitles anymore, it's literally a content upgrade that helps with watch time and accessibility. Dynamic captions in Filmora 15 are designed to bring your text to life with smooth motion and modern styling. Instead of plain subtitles or static titles, these captions animate automatically, making your message more noticeable and visually appealing. You can use them for highlights, quick explanations, call-outs, storytelling, or to add emphasis to any part of your video. There's no limit to what you can type. Filmora adapts the animation to whatever text you enter. Plus, you get a full range of pre-built dynamic caption templates, so you don't need to animate anything manually. Just choose a style, add your text, and Filmora handles the motion design for you. It's an easy way to make your captions look clean, modern, and professional. Haha. Now, let's compare this quickly. Premiere Pro's Firefly Extend works for about 2 seconds. CapCut has text to video but limited control. Filmora 15 gives me all that power, but faster, simpler, and all inside one app. And that's it. Full ad done, no reshoots, all under 10 minutes. I'll even show a quick chart of the time saved compared to my usual workflow. This is the kind of speed upgrade that lets me create more content in less time. So that's my full breakdown of Filmora 15's new AI tools. Let me know in the comments which feature impressed you the most. Personally, AI Extend changed my whole workflow. I'm Tanishq FX, and I'll see you in the next one.